Here at the lobby now, and this is the lobby of the Mater Carmel Life Mission House. Here, my classmates, ito si Jason, Joshua. Diyan ka. Ano pa yun? Come on here. And we are going to get some pictures outside. Joshua will take some pictures also because his birthday na. Dito ka mag... Dala ka dito sa baba. Kung nakita. Papunta doon. Ito ang family sister. Dito. Ayan. Ito ang chapel nila rito. Kita dyan. Nandito ang kanilang mess hall sa downstairs. Ito ang pinaka nila, sincerity. Yun ang Ito yung chapel. Kaya ka. Smile ka bakit? You have to be happy. Kasi hindi ka parang lagi kang Ito yung chapel nila. Very beautiful chapel. Smile ka naman. Sister, isasauli ko lang yung aking okay, thank you po. Dito. Ako naman ko na no.
Yes, Papa. Bye-bye.
Let's take picture with your classmates. Press na to say this. Okay,
Bye.